Fighter jets are the pinnacle of aerial combat technology, designed primarily for air-to-air engagement but often excelling in ground attack and reconnaissance too. They're categorized into generations, from the subsonic MiG-15 to the cutting-edge 5th-gen F-22 Raptor, known for its stealth and supercruise capabilities. Stealth technology is crucial, allowing jets to evade radar detection, while advanced engines enable speeds reaching Mach 3. Take the F-35 Lightning II, a versatile multi-role fighter with advanced sensors, or the Russian Su-57 Felon, boasting super maneuverability. China's Chengdu J-20 is designed for long-range missions, showcasing the global race for air superiority. As we look ahead, 6th-gen fighters are on the horizon, integrating AI and hypersonic speeds, promising to redefine aerial warfare. The future is here, and it's soaring at incredible heights.